Hello, little readers. Welcome back. Today, we are going to learn sentences. Are you ready? Yes, let's begin. Look at the first word, Sam. Now, let's say the sounds S, A, M. Now, blend the sounds. Sam. Great job. Now, read the next word is wonderful. Now, the little word a. Excellent. The last word cat. Now, let's sound it out. A t. Blend it together. Cat. Fantastic. Now, let's read the whole sentence. Sam is a cat. Let's read it again. Sam is a cat. Can you read it all by yourself? Yes. Now, let's answer a question. Who is Sam? Yes, Sam is a cat.